In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to grow your social media account. If you want to create better content, attract the right audience, and stay consistent without feeling overwhelmed, ChatGPT can be a very helpful tool. The key is knowing how to guide it clearly so it gives you useful answers you can actually apply to your account. Start by opening ChatGPT and describing your social media niche. Be specific about the type of content you make, the platform you use, and the kind of audience you want to reach. The more context you give, the better the suggestions will be. For example, instead of saying you post lifestyle content, explain the angle of your content and what makes your page different. Next, ask ChatGPT to analyze your target audience. This helps you understand who you are really speaking to. You can ask it to describe your ideal follower, including their interests, problems, goals, and the type of content they are most likely to engage with. This step is important because strong content usually performs better when it feels relevant and specific. Once that is clear, ask for content ideas that can attract followers. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm topics that fit your niche and are more likely to catch attention. This is especially useful if you often run out of ideas or feel like your content is starting to repeat itself. Try to focus on ideas that are valuable, relatable, or highly shareable. After that, use ChatGPT to create captions, hooks, and post ideas. Hooks are especially important because they help stop people from scrolling. You can ask for multiple variations so you have different styles to choose from, whether you want something educational, casual, or more direct. This can save a lot of time while also making your posts stronger. Then ask ChatGPT to create a weekly posting schedule. A simple plan makes it easier to stay consistent, and consistency is one of the biggest factors in audience growth. You can use the schedule as a guide for what to post each day without needing to come up with everything at the last minute. You should also use ChatGPT to improve your bio and profile description. Your profile is often the first impression people get, so it should quickly explain who you help, what your content is about, and why someone should follow you. As you begin posting, track which posts gain the most followers. Pay attention to patterns in the topics, formats, and hooks that perform best. Finally, ask ChatGPT to create more content based on your best performing posts. This helps you build on what is already working instead of guessing. When you combine audience insight, better messaging, and consistent posting, ChatGPT can become a powerful part of your social media growth strategy.